Good morning, students. In the last class, we learned about measuring liquids. We learned that the units used for measuring liquids are liters and milliliters. Liter is used for the bigger units or the bigger quantity of liquids, larger quantity of liquids, and milliliters is used for smaller quantity of liquids. The short form for liters is L and the short form for milliliters is ml. We also learned that 1 liter is made up of 1000 milliliters. We did questions on page number 131 and page number 132. Question number 1 on page number 132. Today we will do question number 2 and 3 on page number 132, page 132. Please open page 132. Question number 2 is of addition. First part has already been done for us. It is, we have to add 73 milliliter and 52 milliliter. As we have discussed in the previous classes as well, it is important that you write the unit in the answer as well as you show the number which you are carrying forward. So here we have to add 73 and 52. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 7 plus 5 is 12. So the answer is 125 ml. Here nothing was to be carried. Next, part B. We are supposed to add 9 liter and 25 liter. Nine plus 5 will be 9 plus 5. So 9 plus 5 will be 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So we write 4 here and 1 will be carried forward. Then 1 plus 2 will be 3 and we will write the unit as well, liters. So the answer we got is 34 liters. Part C. We are supposed to add 27 milliliter with 27 milliliters with 58 milliliters. Seven plus 8 will be, we already have 7, we have to add 8. So we will get 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we write 5 here and 1 will be carried forward. 1 plus 2 will be 3 and 3 plus 5 will be 3 plus 5. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we write down the unit as well, milliliter. So the answer we get is 85 milliliters. Part D. Here we have to add 167 liters and 25 liters. If we add 7 and 5, we get, after 7 we have to add 5. So we get 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We write 2 here and 1 will be carried forward. Then 1 plus 6 will be 7 and 7 plus 2 will be 8 and 9. 9. And then 1 will come as it is because there is no other number here. So 1 here, and we will write down the unit which is liters. So the answer we got here is 192 liters. Students, we did first 4 parts of this question, question number 2. The next 4 parts, part E, F, G and H are your homework. Coming on to question number 3. Question number 3 is again, it is of subtraction. Question number 3 is to subtract part A. It has already been done for us. Page number 132, question number 3, part A. The units we have been given here are, the measurements are 342 liters, and we have to subtract 56 liters from it. Here, if you look at it, we are supposed to subtract 6 from 2, but that is not possible because 2 is smaller than 6. So 2 will go to 4 and borrow a 10. So 4 will become 3 and 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 6, if we do 12 minus 6, we all know we will get the answer 6. Now we have to subtract this. 3 minus 5. Again, 3 is smaller than 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 3. So 3 will again have to borrow. From where will we borrow? We will borrow from this other 3. We always borrow from the number which is on the left hand side of the number which needs to borrow. This number needs to borrow, so it will go to the number on the left hand side, which is the other 3. This 3 will become 2, and on gaining a 10, this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 5, if we do 13 minus 5, we will get 8. Here we have 2 and no other number here. So 2 will come as it is. And we will write down the unit liters. So the answer we get here is 286 liters. Part B. Here we have to subtract we have been given 92 liters and we have to subtract 45 liters from it. Okay. Here again 2 minus 5. Now we cannot subtract 5 from 2 because 2 is the smaller number and 5 is the bigger number. If you have 2 toffees, you will not be able to eat 5. You will first of all need to purchase more or need to get more from someone. So 2 will here need to borrow. So 2 will go to what? 2 will go to 9, the number on the left. So 9 will become 8 and 2 on gaining a 10 will become 12. Here 12 minus 5. If we do 12 minus 5, we get 7. And 8 minus 4. Now 8 minus 4 is possible because 8 is the larger number and 4 is the smaller number. So if we do 8 minus 4, we get 4 again. We will write the unit now, liters. The answer we get is 47 liters. Part C. 50 milliliter, and we are supposed to subtract, we have to subtract 36 milliliters from it. Here 0 minus 6. Now 0, we cannot subtract anything from 0. So 0 will need to borrow. So 0 will go to the number on the left, which is 5. 5 on giving a 10 will become 4. And 0 on gaining a 10 will become 10. Now 10 minus 6, if we do 10 minus 6, 10 and we have to subtract 6, we get 1, 2, 3, 4. We are only left with 4. So we will write 4 here. And then we are supposed to subtract 3 from 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Right, writing down the unit here. That is milliliter. So the answer we get here is 14 milliliter. Part D. The measurement first given here is 351 liters. Then we have 75 liters. We are supposed to subtract 75 liters from 351 liters. 1 minus 5. 1 is the smaller number, 5 is the larger number. We cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller number. So 1 will have to borrow. 1 will borrow from the number on the left, which is 5. 5 will become 4 and 1 will become, on gaining a 10, it will become 11. Because 10 plus 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 5 gives us 6. Here, now 4 minus 7. Now 4 is the smaller number and 7 is the bigger number. We cannot subtract 7 from 4. 4 will need to borrow. So 4 will go to which number? Number on right or number on left? Number on left. So this 3 will become 2 and this 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 7. Now 14 minus 7, if we do 14 minus 7, we get 7. Okay. And this 2, because there is no other number here, so this 2 will come as it is. And we write down the unit, liter. So the answer we get here is 276 liter. I hope this is again clear to you all. So students, for question number 3 as well, we did the first 4 parts. Now the next 4 parts, part E, F, G and H are your homework. So your homework for today is page number 132, question number 2, part E to H, question number 3, part E to H.